Hafa my friends, and welcome back to KOM News Extra. Now, at the end of the week on Friday, our friends at the Judiciary will honor victims of family violence during the annual Silent Witness Ceremony. With me now to talk about this very important event is Presiding Judge Alberto Lamarena III. Your Honor, Hafa day.
Hafa day, Jason. Nice seeing you again.
All right, nice to see you, sir. We're very happy to have you here.
Thank you very much.
Okay, now this is obviously an annual event. It's very, very solemn and very worthwhile for the families of the victims. How many victims will be honored this year in 2011?
We have 26 victims. 21 of them are female, 5 are male, 6 are juveniles. Half of them were killed by a handgun or a shotgun, and the other significant others were either killed by blunt objects such as a baseball bat or stabbed, or were suffocated to death.
Okay. Now, just for some perspective for the benefit of our viewers, how exactly is family violence defined in maybe like a legal context and everything, and like exactly what crimes constitute family violence?
Family violence is unique because family violence is the family. There are 7 categories in which the law classifies family violence. 1, if you're married or were married. 2, if you live together or had lived together. 3, if you dated or had dated. 4, if you had sexual relationship with a person or had sexual relationship with a person. 5, if you had children from any of those relationships. 6, if family members, such as your brothers, your sisters, your sons and daughters, your parents, includes family violence. And 7, anybody that lives with you and depends upon you is also considered a member of the family, and therefore subject to family violence. Okay,
so the scope is very
broad in personal relationships. Yes.
Is this any broader than it has been in years past? Because you said it may also involve people that you've had sexual relations with, or people that you've dated and everything like that. Is that a fairly recent addendum to the policy? Or?
No, that was passed by the legislature in 1994.
Okay.
It was amended subsequently in 1998, but it didn't expand what people fell under family violence. What it is it corrected some of the provisions that had to be corrected, that we found problems in the first 4 years. And then we had just had a 3rd revision, which is just the governor signed it today, which confers the diversion program, in which the diversion program is where the defendant comes before the court. He agrees to enter a treatment program without admitting guilt. And if he completes the program successfully within a minimum of 1 year, a maximum of 3 years, his case will be dismissed and expunged. Under the deferred plea agreement, which we do in adult drug court, the person will come in. He has to plead guilty to the crime that he was charged with. Then the court will not accept his guilty plea if he completes the mandatory treatment programs that we now prescribe under the diversion program. If he completes it within 2 years, then the court then will dismiss and expunge his case. If he does not complete it within 2 years, the court will admit his guilt, and he would be convicted of a family violence offense.
Okay. Now, the silent witness ceremony obviously is going to take place down at the courthouse.
Yes.
Okay. And is this an event that the community at large can come in?
Yes, everybody is welcome. Last year we had a lot of people. We had over 500 people show up last year. It's an event that's getting bigger and bigger because people are getting more aware of family violence here on our island and becoming more sensitized and becoming concerned on the number of people that go through our family violence program. So this program is our ceremony is very successful. As you know, today the governor declared the month of October Family Violence Awareness Month, and he will be there to present the proclamation to the court and to the victims of the families who will be there as well.
All right, well, Your Honor, thank you so much. And this is Friday down at the courthouse, and what time?
We have Friday, October 7th at 4 p.m., and the public is welcome to attend.
Okay, 4 p.m. Your Honor, thank you very much for your insight.
Thank you very much, Jason.
All right.